Let's be honest. If you're waiting for the right time to start a business, that time isn't coming. The world isn't slowing down for your hesitation. The rules have changed. In 2025, the people building real wealth aren't just working harder, they're building smarter. And the smartest move you can make right now? Starting your own business. But hold on. Before you think, I don't have the money, the contacts, or the experience, let me tell you something powerful. Most millionaires today didn't start rich. They started with a problem to solve, a drive to escape mediocrity, and a refusal to stay broke. This video is your step-by-step guide to do the same. Act 1 begins with a wake-up call. The job market is more unstable than ever. AI is replacing roles. Inflation is eating up wages, and the idea of job security is becoming a myth. So here's the real question. Do you want to keep renting your life by the hour or start owning your future? The first step? Mindset. Before you build a business, you need to believe that it's possible, that your ideas are valid, that you don't need permission to begin. Fear will whisper that you're not ready, but fear lies. Action is the antidote. Confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you earn by doing. Now, let's talk about the idea. Most people think they need something revolutionary. You don't. You need to solve a real problem. Think about what annoys people, what wastes their time, what costs them money, what makes them say, there's got to be a better way. That's where opportunity lives. Here's a pattern interrupt. If you've ever screamed at your printer or waited 30 minutes for a cold coffee delivery, congratulations. You've just identified business potential. Pain points are gold mines. Your job is to dig them up and offer a solution. Now that you've got the idea, we enter Act 2, validation. This is where most people get it wrong. They build logos, buy domains, design products, without asking one simple question. Will anyone pay for this? Validation doesn't mean friends saying, that's cool. It means someone actually pulling out their wallet. How do you test it? Build a simple landing page. Post on social media. Offer a discount for pre-orders. If you can't get your first 10 customers without a fancy brand, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. Now, let's get real. You're thinking, but I'm broke. Perfect. Being broke is an advantage. It forces you to be creative, to bootstrap, to use free tools, and to focus on what actually works. Use Canva for branding, ChatGPT for copy, Stripe for payments, and Gumroad or Etsy to sell. In 2025, barriers are imaginary. Let's shift to execution. Start lean. Don't scale what hasn't been proven. Test small offers. Get feedback. Iterate. Your business isn't a final product, it's a living system. Learn fast, fail faster, improve nonstop. Remember, perfection is the enemy of progress. Next, build visibility. Share your journey online. People don't connect with brands, they connect with stories. Show your work, your wins, and your lessons. If you post consistently, document your progress, and engage genuinely, people will follow. And eventually they'll buy. Now, Act 3, scaling. Once your offer is validated, it's time to systemize. Use tools to automate tasks, emails, customer onboarding, payment collection. Build SOPs, standard operating procedures, so the business can grow without consuming all your time. If you're still doing everything manually 6 months in, you're not scaling, you're surviving. Reinvest your profits. Not in lifestyle upgrades, but in tools, mentorship, and marketing. Buy back your time. Hire help. Expand your reach. And never forget this. You don't grow a business to make money. You grow it to buy freedom. Here's your cliffhanger. What if the business you start this year changes not just your income, but your identity? What if one decision to start unlocks a version of you that you haven't even met yet? More confident, more free, more fulfilled. You won't find that person in another job interview. You'll find them on the other side of action. So here's your moment. Don't just watch others build wealth online. Start building yours. Like this video if it sparked something in you. Share it with a friend who's been stuck in hesitation. And subscribe because we're just getting started. Your journey to success in 2025 begins today.